Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I am Evelyn on KDP Profit Blueprint Publish, Promote and Profit on Amazon KDP. Many people want to sell books and make money online through Amazon KDP. They don't know where to start. I'm here to guide you through every step on how to do it. Discover proven strategy to make consistent profit on Amazon KDP by selecting profitable niches, optimizing your book listing, pricing effectively, and leveraging marketing tools like ads and promotions. Learn how to maximize royalties, build a loyal and leader base, a great multiple income streams for sustainable self-publishing success. Setting up your Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing account correctly is the first crucial step towards self-publishing success. A properly configured account ensures you get paid on time, avoid legal issues, and have access to all the publishing tools Amazon provides. During setup, you will need to enter accurate personal or business information, tax details, and payment methods. You will also choose your preferred marketplace and language, taking the time to understand each section, especially royalty options and tax interviews, can prevent delays and help you make maximum earnings. A clear and complete KDP setup lays the foundation for smooth publishing and sales. Here is a clear, easy to follow guide to navigating the Amazon KDP dashboard so you can manage your books, monitor sales, and optimize your publishing success. Navigating the KDP dashboard. Once you log in at www.amazon.com, you'll be taken to KDP dashboard, the control center of your publishing journey. Bookshelf, that is the main tab. This is your home base for all your books. Create a new title, Kindle ebook, paperback, or hardcover. View and manage book title, formats, ebooks, paperbacks, etc. Status, live in review, draft, upload. Actions, edit, promote, view on Amazon, and unpublish. Click on Books or three dots to access all options. Reports. Track your performance and the earnings here. Key sections, others, real-time sales tracking, by date and marketplace, KDP select page rates for Kindle Unlimited books, royalties, estimator monthly earnings estimate, prior month's royalty, download royalty statements, promotions, see results of free or discount book promotion. Use filters to check data by book, marketplace, or time frame. Community, learn and connect with other KDP authors. KDP Community Forum, ask questions and get advice. KDP University, free tutorial and tips. Update on tools, policies, and programs. Marketing, promote your books from section or this section. Tools available, KDP Select Enrollment, join Kindle Unlimited and run promotions. Free book promotion offers your book for free 5 days per 90-day cycle. Kindle countdown deals for US and UK markets. Amazon advertising, launch sponsored campaigns via Amazon Ads, linked platform, account setting. Top right, your account. Manage personal tax and payment info like author publisher details, bank account details, um, tax interview status, two-step verification, email preferences. Then help. Account access the KDP Help Center anytime from the top navigator bar. You can find FAQ articles, submission guidelines, ISBN info, royalty structure, contact KDP support directly. Understanding Amazon algorithms A92 and or A10. Understanding Amazon algorithms, Amazon search and the recommendation system, commonly known as the A9 older and A10 updated algorithms, determine how books are ranked, discovered, and recommended on the platform as an author on or published on KDP. Understanding this algorithm helps you improve your book's visibility and sales. What are Amazon algorithms? These are behind the scenes systems that decide which book appear on the first of search results, which books get suggested in the customers also bought on you might like section, how books rank in bestseller categories. Key factors of algorithm considers number one, relevance, keywords and or metadata, the title, subtitles, description, and keywords you use must match what shoppers are searching for. Books with all optimized metadata more likely to appear in search results. Sales history. Books that sell consistently are rewarded with higher rankings. The more copies you sell in a shorter time, the more Amazon pushes your book. Then conversion rate. This is the percentage of people who buy a book after viewing this page. A strong book cover, compelling description, good reviews, and fair price all improve conversion. Customer engagement. Positive reviews, ratings, and look inside preview being used to signal customer interest. Books that get clicked and read, especially on Kindle Unlimited, are rewarded. External traffic. Amazon favors book that brings in traffic from outside sources such as social media shares, blog links, paid ads, or email campaigns, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Author authority. Established authors with multiple well-rated books and consistent branding are more likely to be ranked higher. A9 and A10. A9 focuses heavily on sales volume and keywords. A10, the newer version, adds more weight to customer behavior, traffic sources, and content quality, making the system smarter and less spamming. Tips to work with the algorithm. Use strong, relevant keywords in your metadata. Run early launch promotion to boost sales and reviews. Thrive outside traffic like social media, blogs, and newsletter. Focus on quality, great covers, helpful content, and professional formatting. How Amazon recommend books. Amazon uses a smart recommendation system to help readers discover books they are most likely to buy and enjoy. These recommendations are powered by its algorithms, which analyze reader behavior, book performance, and keyword relevance. There are two main ways Amazon recommend books. Search results, keyword-based recommendations. When a reader search for something like romantic suspense, thriller, or grade format workbook. Amazon recommend books based on keyword relevance. Does your book's title, subtitle, description, and backend keywords match the search terms? Sales performance. Is your book selling well for similar searches? Book with optimized metadata and consistent sales are more likely to appear higher in search rankings. Personalized recommendation, behavior based. Amazon also recommend books on user behavior using sections like customer who bought this also bought. You might also like email recommendation and homepage suggestion. They are based on what similar readers have bought or browsed, your book's engagement, clicks, preview purchases, how your book performed in Kindle Unlimited page rates, whether your book is frequently added to wish list or cards. What influences recommendation, sales history, and velocity. Consistent sales improve your chances. Review and ratings, more and better reviews signal quality. A plus content, enhance description and visual help compensation. External traffic, Amazon reward books that bring in readers from blogs, social media, and ads. Engagement, more page rates or a Kindle Unlimited. Look inside views and time spent on your book page help book visibility. How can you help Amazon recommend your book? Use accurate, keyword-rich metadata, create professional book cover, and engaging description. Encourage early reviews from general readers. Promote your book through email list, blogs, and social media. Enroll in KDP Select to get visibility via Kindle Unlimited and free promotions. Understanding how Amazon recommends books help you publish smarter and increase your book's discoverability. Discoverability. Let's do it practically.